This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to sign up for Kinsta. So Kinsta, the popular web host, I'm right here on the main Kinsta page. First things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on that link, you will find yourself on a page like this, or very similar, depending on how Kinsta changed their plans over time. Now, this is a free trial, so click my link, you can get the free trial. It's essentially a 30-day free trial, as you see right here. Try Kinsta now, first month is free. So we are going to sign up for Kinsta. What you will do is you'll click on this try for free button, this black button right here, and that will bring up this page right here. So this is their WP2 bandwidth plan. We are paying monthly. If you want to pay annually, you do get the reduction, so $59 annually per month, or you can pay monthly at $70, as you can see right here. So you can see all of the good stuff you get right here: 99% uptime, 2 WordPress installs, 20 gig storage, 250 gig on a CDN, and 40 gig server bandwidth. Pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter our information here, and then we're going to click continue. So first of all, we need to agree to the terms. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign up right here with a different email. So let's go with this email right here. Okay, so password, I'm going to let my password generator come up with something. That's my previous one, so we're not going to actually save that. And then we are going to click on continue. Then from there, you are going to enter your billing information and your card details. So as it tells you right here, you won't be charged for the first month. This is, for all intents and purposes, a 30-day free trial. Card details are required to create your account. You can cancel it at any time. So you're going to fill out your details here, your billing name, country, zip code, etc. Say whether you're a company or an individual. You're going to enter your credit card details right here, including the cardholder name, the card number, expiry, and CVC. Then once you have entered that, click confirm and continue, and your account is created. Like I say, this isn't going to take any money from your bank right away. As it says right here, it's sign up risk free. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. It's a 30-day free trial, and you can cancel it at any time, as Kinsta inform you right here. So that is how to sign up to Kinsta. That's how to get your Kinsta account, get all of the awesome features that Kinsta hosting involves, including their 24/7 expert support. It really is a good hosting service, especially if you're on WordPress. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have and you found it informative, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.